How to use voice typing in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on and start dictating text anywhere on your PC. First, open any app where you'd normally type, like Notepad, a browser search bar, or a Word document. From there, click on the text field so your cursor is active inside it. After that, press Windows key plus H on your keyboard to open the voice typing toolbar. At this point, a small floating bar will appear on your screen with a microphone icon in the center. From here, click the microphone icon to start listening, or it may activate automatically as soon as the toolbar opens. Following this, start speaking naturally, and your words will appear as text in real time directly inside the text field. After that, you can say punctuation out loud as well. For example, say comma, period, or new line, and voice typing will insert them automatically without you having to type anything. From here, click the microphone icon again when you're done to stop it from listening. Finally, if you want voice typing to add punctuation automatically without you having to say it, click the settings icon on the toolbar and toggle on auto punctuation. That's how you use voice typing in Windows 11. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.